Page of Swords is a place of abounding energy, youth, and conviction to be able to overcome any obstacle thanks to the communication skills and mental dexterity that categorizes the arcana. Well, again, very similar explanations, representations, symbology, whatever you want to call it. Overcoming obstacles, overcoming challenges. Yeah, right? She is like, nothing's getting in my way. Nothing's getting in my way. These videos will be posted. I will fly through the rain and the lightning and thunder. So get out of my way. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Petrol.